Happy Pride Month and happy Jurassic June. This critter right here is known as Compsognathus or Compsognathus. It is an extinct genus of small bipedal carnivorous theropod dinosaur which lived throughout what is now Europe during the Tithonian stage of the late Jurassic, from around 152 to 145 million years ago. The first remains of Compsognathus, consisting of a complete juvenile skeleton, were found in Bavarian limestone deposits by fossil collector Dr. Joseph Abendorfer. Abendorfer lent the specimen to paleontologist Johann A. Wagner, who published a brief description in 1859, where he coined the name Compsognathus longipipes, from the Greek kompsos, meaning elegant or dainty, and gnathos, meaning jaw. Wagner did not realize Compsognathus was a dinosaur, but instead described it as one of the most curious forms amongst the lizards. It wouldn't be until 1866, when Oberndorfer's collection was given to Munich, the Paleontological State Collection, that Compsognathus was recognized as a dinosaur. In 1868 and 1870, Thomas Huxley would thoroughly examine and describe the specimen, finding that Compsognathus closely resembled Archaeopteryx, and concluded that birds must have evolved from dinosaurs. The specimen has since been studied by many prominent paleontologists, including Othniel Charles Marsh, J. G. Barr, and John Ostrom. A second, larger adult specimen was discovered in 1971 in the Portlandian lithographic limestone of Congers near Nice, France. This specimen was initially considered to be a separate species of Compsognathus, but has now been determined to be the adult form of longipipes, reaching just 3.5 to 4.5 feet, or 1 to 1.4 meters in length, and 5 to 7 pounds, or 2.3 to 3.2 kilograms in weight. Compsognathus was considered to be the smallest known non-avian dinosaur for over a century. However, some dinosaurs discovered later, such as Mahakala and Microraptor, were even smaller. In life, Compsognathus would have inhabited the tropical semi-arid low-lying islands throughout what is now Europe, feeding upon insects, crustaceans, fish, small reptiles, and carrion, while trying to avoid itself being preyed upon by pterosaurs, crocodiliforms, other reptiles, and larger dinosaurs.